Back from the hardware store. Got lots of goodies. Have an idea that I think I might have told you guys about. Maybe not. So the idea is I want to try and take some black pipe and make a shelf up here. So while I went to get the right angles for the plumbing in the back, which I am going to finish, I also want to see if this is going to work. So I've kind of got a bunch of this pipe, and then I'm going to do a hanging shelf from the ceiling across here, just over the kitchen sink. So going to see if that works out. Hopefully it does, and that'll be the next project. Okay, so I'm back at it. I've got the fittings now that I need. So what I've got to finish up here is put in the T for the supply line and a couple right angles over here. So I'm going to get started on that now that I have the proper fittings. Welcome back to another day on the adventure bus. So super excited about what I found yesterday, and that was enough of the black and galvanized pipe to make the hanging shelves to go above the kitchen sink. So I'm going to get working on that. I've painted them. This is what they look like. They're flat black now. So all of the pipes match because I had to use two different types of pipes. So gonna get that put up today, and then I have a couple hose clamps that I still have to put on in the back of the bus, so I've got to finish that up. I was kind of waiting till the other water tank came, but it's got to get done. So gonna tighten that up, hang the shelves, and then probably after that I need to start working on a little bit more of the electrical because it's not fully complete. So that means getting into the closet and starting to hook up quite a bit of the Victron equipment that I have mounted but not working yet. So got to get to that. So let's get started. Okay, so I want to center it on the ceiling. So I know this is my center board. My shelves are 4 feet, so I want my brackets to be spaced 2 feet apart. About 2 feet, yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to take this board, then 1, 2, 3, 4, mount the bracket there. 1, 2, 3, 4, mount the bracket there, and then it'll be in the middle. Well, I pretty excited about that. I mean, you now have a spot up here to put stuff, so that's great. Now, I also have some pieces here, which I think now 100% I'm going to put them on. These little guys. Put them on here, kind of give it an edge, just so stuff doesn't slide off. And then this one, on the other side, here. This is the only thing I'm worried about. It's this corner. I might 45 that as well. I didn't bring any of my kind of carpentry equipment. I didn't bring any of the nail gun. I didn't bring the nail gun, and I didn't bring the saw. But I think now that it's kind of up and I can see what it looks like, probably gonna 45 this one here, just to, you know, maybe I don't need to. I mean, I guess, yeah. I might just nick the corner off of it. But this is absolutely what I wanted. I wanted to kind of keep everything open in the kitchen. As you can see, like, I didn't do any uppers. Everybody builds in their uppers. Kind of did shelving, and yeah, I just wanted to keep that open look, and it's definitely achieving it. So I'm super excited about how these look. I don't know. Head down to the comments below and let me know what you think of the floating black pipe. No, what do we call them? The ceiling mounted black pipe shelving system. Cool. All right. Got some pipe clamps at the back to get on and clean all this stuff up, and then start working on this closet here. Hey, time to get the clamps on.